What's going on, guys? Ryan Martello here at the Crypto Fiend Studios, bringing you guys the hottest, the latest, and everything crypto-related news. Today, we're going to be looking at the market, getting a good update of what's going on in the space, as well as my personal strategy right now to make some profit in the crypto space, as well as some news revolving around cryptocurrencies. So to start things off with the market, not doing too hot right now. $296 billion in market cap, 45% in Bitcoin dominance. Not much you can say. It is a little sad to see Bitcoin in the $7,000 range, but it is an excellent time to make a position in cryptocurrencies. Now, what my current strategy is right now to really take advantage of this current market, because quite frankly, it's hard to take advantage of a market that's all red. It's just really a sea of red with a little bit of green here and there. So what I'm currently doing right now is I have about 20% of my portfolio in Bitcoin or Ethereum on standby to make day trade and swing trade positions. So I'll usually take a look at the market, see which cryptocurrencies are trending, which ones could be potential big gainers on the day, and I'll usually make a position on those cryptos, as well as what I like to do is go over to this trending tab. I lost my train of thought right there. And I just get an idea of what cryptos are doing well. Now, of course, I don't just jump on any cryptocurrency on this list, because the majority of these cryptos no one has ever even heard of. But I like to look at cryptocurrencies that I'm familiar with. For example, Ontology's on here, Pivx is on here, as well as DMarket. Now, I'm only familiar with DMarket because I just recently looked it up because I was curious. It was up 250%, and it's a rather interesting cryptocurrency I'll talk about in a minute. But this is what I do. I look at this, and I usually look at the 10% in gains to around 30% in gains. And why I choose that range of gains is because the majority of day traders are going to look at this list. This is what they use to determine which cryptocurrencies they want to jump in for the day, or even, potentially swing trade. So that's the range I like to use, because the majority of those cryptos in that range will most likely move up a little more into the 30 to 40% range on the day. So that is my current strategy. I have about 20% of my portfolio on the side to make some day trade positions, make a little profit on those positions, cash out, add it to the rest of my portfolio, and then pick up some of my long-term holders that I currently have and add to those positions. So that's my current strategy. Some cryptos I did want to look at real fast for you guys is Ontology. Quick little review. Ontology is a very interesting cryptocurrency having a lot of movement right now. A new public multi-chain project, a distributed trust collaboration platform. Now, I'm not going to go into detail on what Ontology is, but I'm going to give you the brief one-paragraph summary about what they are and what they're trying to do. Ontology is really based around trust. They're a trust platform. Now, I know that sounds kind of weird, considering the majority of projects in the space don't use the word trust a lot, but Ontology uses the word trust a lot. So to sum them up, they're their own blockchain, and they want to make it so that companies out there that want to get involved in blockchain technology can simply get involved without the overhead stress of understanding what blockchain technology is and how to use it and how to take advantage of it, all that kind of stuff. So Ontology wants to be able to have the everyday-to-day mom and pop business, not necessarily mom and pop, but the everyday-to-day business get involved with blockchain without having to fully understand the technology, and Ontology doing all the side work for them. So that's Ontology for you guys. The other crypto I want to look at is DMarket. Now, this one's the one that is up 250% on the day. There is one reasoning why it could be up so greatly. DMarket did announce their version 2.0 beta yesterday for the platform, so that's a good reasoning why it's having some price movement, as well as it could potentially just be a pump and dump group. Let's look at the price movement real fast for you guys. It's coming down right now pretty fast, but yeah, that's most likely a pump and dump group, but I was just interested to see what it was. And to sum it up for you guys, it's practically identical to Engine Coin. Now, if you guys don't know what Engine Coin is, it's a platform where virtual goods in games can be sold onto a market. They can be traded, they can be shared with community members. Now, this is for the gaming space, the gaming community, and I think this is going to be a market that is going to be greatly used very soon in the space, because I think it's very undervalued and it's very interesting and has huge potential. So basically, gamers can have items in their games, and they can potentially put those virtual assets onto a market to sell them, to trade them, to share them with other gamers, and it's a nice way of Also, if you have some items, to be able to sell them for cryptocurrencies. So it's a very simple and kind of ingenious concept that soon will be put to use. Right now they are still in their beta, and they do have a large array of partners, which is nice to see. Now Dean Market does not have their market cap up yet, so that is something also that I'm a little surprised about, considering they have such great movement right now. $72 million traded in the past 24 hours. That's very, very surprising to see, but it seems like it's coming down right now, slowly but surely. So those are the two cryptocurrencies I wanted to look at today. Some more news in the space. We have right here, Twitter bans cryptocurrency and ICO advertisings starting today. I'm not really surprised at all about this. It seems to be that once one huge platform does something, especially in cryptocurrencies, the rest just seem to follow, just so they can protect themselves. And it's understanding. I understand why they're coming about it, but I think it's a little ridiculous, considering eventually I'm sure all these platforms will have their own some form of cryptocurrency or blockchain technology. But until then, that's what they're doing. They are banning cryptocurrency advertisements. So we have Twitter, we have Facebook, and we have Google. Who knows who's going to be next? Whoever it is, I'm probably not going to be shocked. But of course, this isn't going to help the growth of cryptocurrencies. This might only make it worse. As of right now, it's not really helping at all. So, sum up this video. Market's not doing too hot. Best thing to do right now to take advantage of this market is potentially, if you are interested, learn about swing trading, learn about day trading, and make a little bit of profit while the market's stagnant. Because in making that profit, you can purchase those long-term crypto holders that you are interested in, and maximize your passive income for the future. That's the video for today, guys. Before you go, if you are interested in ICO reviews, I did make a separate channel. I've announced it a few times, but for those of you that watch my videos occasionally, the ICO Hub is the hub for ICOs, obviously. I am starting to try to get more reviews onto this platform. It's going to be, the hottest trending ICOs, as well as ICOs that I think are rather interesting, I'm going to be putting on this platform. So if you are interested in learning about new projects, they will be on this channel. So go ahead and subscribe, for everything ICO related. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave comments below what your current strategy is in the market. If you're day trading, if you're just holding where you are, if you're long-terming, whatever you are doing, let me know down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.